Are you someone who dreams of that perfect engagement ring that you've had saved to your Pinterest board for, well, longer than you'd like to admit? Or maybe you have an idea of what your ring will look like, but you just need a little extra help. How about those of you getting ready to pop the question and have zero idea where to start? Introducing Engage, a revolutionary, all-immersive, in-app ring buying experience dedicated to helping you find the perfect engagement ring of your or your partner's dreams. My name is Christina Kirkman, and I'm going to be giving you exclusive access into the inner workings of Engage and its fascinating, first-of-its-kind, AI-powered app features that will change the way you shop for your forever diamond. Okay, but before I show you the app, let's go over some of my favorite key features. Number 1, you can connect you or your partner's Instagram or Pinterest account to generate smart selections based on your interests. Pretty cool, right? Number 2, diamonds are dynamically priced using real-time market data to ensure you get the best value. So you can spend more money on your wedding, or your honeymoon, or whatever you want. Number 3, Engage uses patented AI technology alongside expert experience so that your shopping experience is truly innovative. You can even view the ring on your hand with the Try It On feature. Nifty. And number 4, my favorite. A portion of each diamond sale is donated to Girls Incorporated and the Diamonds Do Good Diamond Empowerment Fund. Okay, let's get to the fun stuff. First, you're going to want to download the app in the App Store. Then you can design your own ring or browse ready-to-buy rings. You can also upload a photo of a ring that you or your partner likes here to curate similar rings. As someone who doesn't have a specific idea of what I want my ring to look like, let's connect my Pinterest account so we can match my aesthetic and have a more personal shopping experience. So here's where it's going to list the setting styles, stone shapes, and ring material with the match percentage. Now you can just go through and modify the results or keep them as is. At the bottom, you're going to see order of importance. This is really important to a lot of people, but again, for someone like me that knows absolutely nothing about the ring buying experience, I'm gonna click no preference. Okay, so now here's where the fun tech stuff comes into play. Every time you swipe, the app is learning more about what you like and what you don't like. It's like a dating app for rings. Pretty cool. Okay, so once you've fallen completely in love with your ring, you can scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll see the option to add the matching band. But here's my favorite part. At the bottom, you'll see the option to try on, so you can see how the ring looks on your hand. That's awesome. Okay, so whether you're someone that's had your dream diamond picked out since you were a kid, or someone like me that has zero idea where to start when it comes to picking your forever diamond, the Engage app does an amazing job at breaking it down step by step to ensure your experience is personal and easy. You even get $100 off your order when you schedule with a jewelry concierge, and you can get your diamond shipped right to your door. Okay, well, I'm gonna go build my perfect wedding Pinterest board just in case my boyfriend's watching. Bye.